Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today we've got some new news, and this is from the Samsung Mobile Press website. This is a new thing coming up here for us that use the Watch 4 series, and they're going to be adding a new software update that levels up holistic wellness and customization. So this is going to be a new software update, and also new bands with different colors are also coming out as well. So let's look at what the software update is going to include. And there's also a big announcement from them regarding the Google Assistant availability, which I'll get to in just a moment. So let's take a look. The first one is motivation to move, body composition update. So the BIA sensor is going to give you more insights into your health progress. Samsung Health will be providing body composition insights powered by Center, which is a digital fitness program curated by Chris Helmsworth to users to help users transform their health, fitness, and mindset. In addition, Galaxy Watch 4 users will receive a 30-day free trial for full and unrestricted access to Center. So if you're into health and wellness as far as workouts and getting those and seeing those numbers and being able to work out and change those numbers to where you would like to have them, they're going to be updating a lot of the insight into the BIA sensor, and then also kind of partnering with Center to give you things to work on in that regard. Now, this one, which I am personally interested in, is work towards a better night's sleep. And what this is it's using the sleep tracking capabilities that are already built into the Galaxy Watch 4, which I use on my Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and it's nice to have that information. But they're going to introduce a new sleep coach program, which helps users develop better sleep habits. By tracking sleep patterns over 7 days and completing 2 related sleep surveys, the program assigns one of 8 sleep symbol animals representing the user's sleep type. Then it will guide users through a 4 to 5 week coaching program that includes missions, checklists, sleep-related articles, meditation guidance, and regular reports to support users as they work towards improving their sleep quality. So this is very, very cool. I am very, very happy with this. I'm someone that doesn't really get that great of sleep, so I'll be interested to see the sleep coach program including in this new software update. So very, very cool there. Now, another one here is deeper insights to a healthier heart by using the BIA sensor. Obviously, in select markets, we get blood pressure. We don't here in the United States yet. Hopefully, at some point, they will actually do that. But we do get ECG, so they are going to add in some insights or using the sensor technology to help with blood pressure and ECG. So again, it's going to be expanding to 11 more markets globally in March, including Canada, Vietnam, and South Africa. We do have the Samsung Health Monitor app here in the United States, but we can only track ECG with it. Hopefully we will get the blood pressure at some point, but it's already been working on 2 years. So FDA, help us out here, will you? Greater selection of matching straps and watch faces here. So they are adding more watch faces with additional colors and digital clock fonts that will help you make your watch your own. So there are some new strap colors coming out, such as burgundy and cream, a new fabric band, and a metal link bracelet band as well. So those are coming out on the store. That is obviously not part of the update, the software update. Now here it is committed to expanding compatibility within the Android ecosystem. In 2021, Samsung and Google introduced a co-developed Wear OS powered by Samsung, bringing smoother connections across Android devices and seamless access to more apps via Google Play, including Google Maps, Google Pay, and YouTube Music. Coming soon through the additional update, users will be able to use stream music over Wi-Fi or LTE from the YouTube Music app on their Galaxy Watch 4. So that's kind of cool. If you're into that, you can use that YouTube Music app on the Galaxy Watch 4 to stream over Wi-Fi or LTE. This means user can leave their phone behind and still enjoy their favorite artists as they work out on the go. Now, the best part of this of all is additionally, Google Assistant will be available on the Galaxy Watch 4 series in the coming months. So we have an official word from Samsung on their website that the Google Assistant will be available in the coming months. Now, of course, they're not going to give us a specific date on this in case they miss that date. They don't want to take any flack for missing any dates that they may promise. But we have an official word from Samsung that it will be coming. So everybody that has the Galaxy Watch 4 that has not already gotten Google Assistant and are upset about it, as I am. I want to use Google Assistant. Not that I hate Bixby, but Google Assistant is much better. And this is a great thing. This is a great thing that we have a confirmation in writing on their website that it will be coming up soon within the next couple months. So availability, the software update will be available via the Galaxy wearable app for the Watch 4 and the Watch 4 Classic starting the day of Unpacked, which is February 10th Korea time and February 9th US time. You can purchase the new watch straps beginning late February. So that is what we've got going on for the Galaxy Watch 4 series. Google Assistant has been announced and will be in the next couple months. Not in this first update, but hang tight, folks, because they have said it's coming. So let's hope, let's pray that they finally release it on our Galaxy Watch 4. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you haven't done so. It really helps me out, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.